Hello dear fans. What is light? Light is an electromagnetic wave that can range in length from 340 to 760 nanometers. This range, especially the yellow-green area, can be easily perceived by the human eye. Wave-corpuscle dualism. In the 17th century, two theories appeared, wave and corpuscular, about what light is. According to the first, light is an electromagnetic wave. This was confirmed by the Maxwell system of equations compiled in the 19th century. She described electric and magnetic fields very well. Until now, no one has been able to prove that Maxwell's theory is wrong. In the 20th century, some phenomena were discovered that run counter to wave representations in light. These include the photoelectric effect, the knocking out of electrons from matter by incident light. According to wave theory, this phenomenon must have a significant delay. A light wave must transfer a significant amount of energy to an electron in order for it to fly out of matter. However, experiments have shown that there is practically no delay. A new theory was created stating that light is a stream of particles, corpuscles. Thus, the wave-particle dualism of light was shown. Wave properties of light. The phenomena confirming that light is an electromagnetic wave include interference, diffraction, and others. They are often used in various scientific studies. Interference is the superposition of two waves, resulting in an increase or decrease in the radiation intensity. As a result, an interference pattern is obtained, the alternation of maxima and minima, and the maxima have a radiation intensity that is 4 times higher than the intensity of the source. To observe interference, it is necessary that the sources are coherent, i.e., have the same radiation frequency and constant phase difference. Corpuscular properties of light. Light manifests its corpuscular properties under the photoelectric effect. This phenomenon was discovered by the German physicist G. Hertz and experimentally investigated by the Russian scientist A. G. Stoletov. He got some interesting data. The maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons depends only on the frequency of the incident radiation. This contradicts the concepts of classical physics. For each substance, there is a red border of the photoelectric effect, the minimum frequency at which this phenomenon is still observed. Thus, the photoelectric effect can occur even with low-energy incident radiation. The main thing is that the frequency is suitable. An interesting discovery was the fact that the number of electrons emitted from the surface of a substance per unit time depends only on the intensity of radiation, direct dependence. Thanks for watching.